In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print single expense on QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to find the expense you want, and how to print a clean copy without any confusion. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and sign in if prompted. From the top navigation, head to the area labeled Expenses and Pay Bills. This is where all your outgoing transactions live, and it's the quickest way to zero in on the one expense you want to print. On the expenses page, use the filters to narrow things down. You can adjust the date range, pick a specific payee, choose a transaction type, or set a status like paid or open. If you already know a keyword, amount, or check number, the search box is a great shortcut. Tightening your filters here saves time and ensures you're printing exactly what you intend. Once you've found the single expense you need, click it to open the full details. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. Check the payee, date, amount, payment account, and any memo or category lines. This quick review helps prevent reprints later. Look toward the bottom of the expense window for the print option. Click Print. QuickBooks will generate a print-friendly view, and a preview will appear, often as a new pop-up window or a new tab, depending on your browser settings. In the print preview, scan the layout carefully. Make sure totals, taxes, and line items are correct, and that nothing is cut off at the margins. If the preview looks small, use the zoom controls to get a closer look. If you don't see the preview at all, a pop-up blocker may be in the way. Allowing pop-ups for QuickBooks will resolve that. When everything looks good, click Print within the preview. Your browser's print panel will open, typically showing a print icon or a dialog in the top right. Here, choose your printer, set the number of copies, and adjust options like orientation or color if needed. If your setup offers it, you can also select Save as PDF to keep a digital copy for your records, but that's optional. Finish by confirming Print to send the job to your printer. Close the Preview tab when you're done to return to QuickBooks and continue your bookkeeping. That's it. Head to Expenses and Pay Bills, filter to the single expense, open it, use the Print option at the bottom, review the preview, and finalize the print from your browser. Follow these steps anytime you need a clean, professional printout of an individual expense.